My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2023 Vauxhall Vivaro E-Life. This is a long wheelbase vehicle. It has done just over 12,000 miles with an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. As we step inside, we can see that we have 8 seats in total, all of which are full leather. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights, and a keyless ignition. On the screen, using the buttons to the left, we can access driving functions and vehicle settings, audio and navigation. To the right, we have our flow, statistics and charge, Apple and Android CarPlay, and smartphone integration. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.